Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you what is TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is a feature inside the TikTok application that lets users buy products directly through videos, live streams, or the Shop tab without leaving the application. TikTok Shop launched globally in 2023 and quickly became popular, especially for beauty and lifestyle products. Brands and creators can tag products in their content, making it easy for people to discover and buy right away. While TikTok Shop started off with strong organic reach, it is now shifting toward a more ad-based model, so sellers often need to pay to be seen. Overall, TikTok Shop blends shopping and content, making it super easy to shop while you scroll. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.